Going through.
Someone coming out.
Where is it?
Push left, not look straight forward.
I'm going left. I'll cover your back. I'm stuck to the fucking ceiling. Red! I was just thinking. Someone down there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Red! Red! I think there's reds down there as well. We've got someone down in the back left, and then someone down here behind me. Up, hip, coming up.
Anyway, how do you know where are they?
Right, back in.
They're taking fire down there, the yellows have obviously pushed quite hard.
Whoa, hip. Oh, that's my hand. Hip. Got me right there, you bastard. Oh, fuck it. Is there?
Oh, of course, yeah. There is a regen in there. I can use that.
Is that wet down at the end?
Oh, there is, yeah. 10 seconds, is it? Yeah, the bastard with the tri-shot shot my fucking gun, so I got him.
I'm sorry, yeah.
He took, what about him? Tri-shot took him out, and he didn't see me coming, and I took him out, shot him on his head.
Nice.
My fucking mate went to shoot the shotgun through the door.
Straight down, Luke, remember?
Yep. You got him?
Yeah, make the one in, trust me.
One in.
No, under.
He's either still there or he's got... Just one.
Someone could probably... Can you go down low? You can go out. You've got third then.
Guy moving forward, crouch down a bit, just in case I don't shoot you in the back of your head. Because if he comes around, I'll shoot as well.
There's one there, 2 there.
Whoop. Got him. One down.
Is that side clear? Can I go to that wall?
Yeah, there's no one in front of me.
Oh, white in the red.
Come on, come round. There's one straight down at the bottom somewhere.
Corner. Just down there.
Out. There's two. One in the doorway, one behind the black, whatever the hell it is.
Oh, hit me scope. Oh, hit me scope.
Yeah. Go, go. Ooh.
Oh, damn it!
I got 2 in there.
There's someone straight forward behind the water barrel. Oh.
Hands up. Dead man coming through.
Straight forward behind that wooden thing. Up, hip. Oh, right in the fucking leg.
That's an odd place to sit, but I'll give it, yeah.
Right in the thigh. Oh, it's there. Felt that fucker. Right fucking here.
Got down there. There were 2 in the building looking out the other side, so...
I stung like shit, I did. Ooh.
Over around on that dude.
Hip.
I was a human shield though.
Yeah, they're both...
Because our push and they won't.
Oh, right in the gap. Oh.
3 minutes. There's one.